Hi y'all, it's Miss Hammock. Today we're going to be learning how to make corn on the cob. You're going to start out with your piece of cardboard, round it out on the corners. We want it to look kind of like a half circle on each side. Once you've rounded out your piece, you're going to take some seashell pasta and some glue and use this to create kernels on your popcorn. This is something called texture, where if you touch it, it's not flat, it has texture. We want to have this with the curved side facing us and the edges of our pasta facing horizontally. Here you see. We're going to keep adding this in rows with the pointy ends of my pasta facing side to side. It's like taking a bowl. We don't want this end that's open facing us. We want our bowl upside down. So you just keep adding these in rows. Once you finish up one row, you're going to take your glue and start forming another row right next to it. Once you've added all of your pasta, then you'll get something that looks a bit like this. We have all of our kernels facing side to side, and it fills up most of our corn. Once you have your kernels all placed, you're going to take your green sheet of paper, cut it in half vertically, then make one side pointy and the other side round. We'll repeat this again. Make one side pointy and the other side round. Once you have these are going to form the leaves of your corn. We're going to take these and place them on top. But before we do that, we're going to create implied texture. This is going to form the little ridges that you would see inside a corn husk. But when you touch it, you don't feel the texture. But what we're doing is trying to create the illusion of texture. So we're adding our long stripes going vertically on our corn. Now that we have this, I'm going to glue them together. Like this, and place them on my corn. Once you know where they're going to be placed on your corn, you can flip it over, add some glue to the bottom, and then glue it on top of your corn. Now we have a textured piece of corn. See y'all next art class.